We're brake testing these beefy hangers rated at 30 kilonewtons. They're made by the same guy that sells these removable bolts. We're testing the hangers with these sleeve anchors we recently got that are also made of 304 stainless steel. Holy crap, that hanger broke at 45.35 kilonewtons. Oh, 53.73. Oh my. We're gonna do a tension test. Well, that was exhausting. The bolt head broke off at 54.62 kilonewtons. Hanger tensile test. Hanger busted at 55.15 kilonewtons. Those were some great results. We'll definitely be testing more of these sleeve bolts in future videos, so stay posted for that.